Zaporozhye is a crossroad of ancient traditions and modern customs. It is a hospitable land inhabited by people who above all honor human dignity. This is a fact, is historically well known. The first democratic country in Europe was founded on the territory of Zaporozhye. The architectural development project of Zaporozhye was awarded a gold medal at the International Exposition in Paris. It should be emphasized that within the precincts of the city, there is a rare beauty that reserves island of Hortitsa, national pride of Ukraine. The city port is situated on a picturesque bank of the Dnieper River, the largest river of Ukraine. Big liners with tourists on board are an everyday occurrence. As a rule, the guests of the city are delighted with the visiting horse show, which is really an unforgettable performance. Those who like to spend their leisure time in an interesting way should visit the museum exhibitions, which are constantly updating their collections, as well as attend the concerts of the symphony orchestra and plays performed in the music and drama theater. Educational Center of Eastern Europe. There are more than 20 institutes and 4 universities here, such as National University, Technical University, the State Medical University, which is noteworthy not only in the Zaporozhye region, but also in Ukraine.
Now we are on the grounds of the Zaporozhye State Medical University campus. It is a vast complex of academic buildings, hostels, and infrastructure. Perfectly planned and well maintained, the campus seamlessly blends with the surrounding city. The system of continuous medical education is realized in Zaporozhye State Medical University and involves pre-university, pre-diploma, and postgraduate education. The university offers internship, master's degree programs, postgraduate study, and clinical studies. Zaporozhye State Medical University guarantees sound theoretical knowledge of its students. The absolute majority of teachers are doctors and candidates of science, members of branch academies, state prize winners, and the Academy of Medical Science prize winners, and all of them are graduates of Zaporozhye State Medical University. This fact is eloquent evidence in favor of the university. One of the strong points of Zaporozhye State Medical University is that we give many opportunities for scientific work to all. Many regional, all-Ukrainian, and international science conferences take place at our university. Our students take part in them, present their own research and investigations, and familiarize themselves with the latest breakthroughs in science. World-renowned specialists are invited to lecture in our university, which gives students an opportunity to gain the knowledge and experience of the leading medical scientific schools. Besides, the university has a huge library with both rare, ancient, and the latest scientific works. We are very proud of our powerful study base. Students of the medical faculty have practical training at the following medical establishments: Regional Hospital, Regional Center of Emergency Medicine and Ambulance Service, Children Multi-Field Hospital, and others, altogether at more than 20 of the best medical establishments of the region.
The educational process is based on the latest technologies and achievements of modern medical science. During the practical training in the multi-specialty clinics, our students deal with real patients and acquire the necessary skills. The advantages of our educational system are evident. Theoretical knowledge gained at our university is widely used in further specialties, education, especially in the sphere of practical health and protection.
The preparatory faculty of Zaporozhye State Medical University has been training foreign students for entering other higher educational institutions for more than 30 years. Comfortable hostels for foreign students are situated in close proximity to the main buildings on the territory of the student campus. We are proud of our campus, which is buried in verdure. Its infrastructure is planned in such a way that studies can be carried out in comfortable conditions. Here, young people can find everything they need on the campus. There are no problems with meals, and the student cafe has convenient working hours. There are entertaining and dancing parties, concerts, and competitions like Miss Medical University, and sport shows which traditionally take place at our university. By the way, each student has an opportunity to join sports, both individually and in sport groups. But of course, the main thing is study. Foreign students begin to study at their preparatory faculty in September. Usually the time period for adaptation to the social environment and educational system passes quickly. During an intensive 3-month course, foreign students master Russian, after which they study physics, mathematics, biology, and chemistry at a level that permits them to be admitted in first year of the medical or pharmaceutical faculty. If the foreigners wish, they can study in English. The teachers of Zaporozhye State Medical University are certified in their respective field. International faculty. After finishing the preparatory faculty, foreign students study at the medical and pharmaceutical faculties. They study all the subjects according to the same curriculum as Ukrainian students. If they wish, they can choose an individualized course of study. The graduates, especially future surgeons and cardiologists, have an opportunity to continue their education during clinical studies. Every foreign student who possesses significant academic achievement can take part in research during his training at the main faculties, and then during his or her clinical studies and postgraduate study. Medical faculty of Zaporozhye State Medical University trains students in the specialties general medicine, pediatrics, laboratory diagnostics, and nursing. Studies begin with fundamental preparation. Theoretical departments lay the basis for the necessary knowledge and clinical ways of thinking of all future doctors. At this stage, students study the structure of the human organism, causes of diseases and systems onset, development of diseases, and organism dysfunction. Pathological Physiology Department of Zaporozhye State Medical University is one of the most respected in the university, as the outlook of a future physician is formed here. Pathological physiology is the philosophy of medicine. Here, students perceive the essence of processes in the human organism. Pathological Anatomy Department of our university is one of the leading ones in Ukraine. The Institute of Clinical Pathology was founded here. Students and interns study changes in tissues, organs, and cells that take place in the course of the disease, and also the causes and mechanisms of death. Hospital Therapy Department number 1 gives every student opportunity to acquire good theoretical knowledge and at the same time the needed practical skills of working with patients, handling diagnostic equipment, and becoming familiar with the fundamentals of the up-to-date methods of research. The scientific orientation of the department consists of studying the causes and mechanisms of formation of cardiovascular system dysfunction. At the Hospital Therapy Department number 2, students of the medical faculty study particular specialties in the context of general therapy, nephrology, gastroenterology, pulmonology, and allergology. Clinical training is conducted on the basis of the best treatment and prophylactic institutions, which have the status of Republican and interregional centers such as Zaporozhye Gastroenterological Center. And